Simply Cheryl, Simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me, she got a vibe for you.
This is the first year I'm going to be preparing a whole Thanksgiving dinner for my family without my immediate family. Feels weird, but it's also like, you know, okay, big girls doing big girl things. Don't get it twisted, I can cook. I never prepared like a whole meal like this. Many of you guys don't know I was born on Thanksgiving Day, so whenever this holiday comes around, my mom always, or my grandma, they take turns or whatever, they cook a big, like lavish, scrumptious, finger-licking, mouth-watering meal for me. All I had to do was just show up at the table. This is the first year I'm cooking for my babies in our own space, being that I moved and relocated to a new state. So a little like, only because I just can taste my mom's yams and her macaroni. But we can FaceTime each other and still celebrate this holiday together, whether near or far. But I'm about to go out because I did forget some soda, and I do want to maybe get some more decor. The stores are probably a madhouse because there's always black people like me that forgot one or two things. In this vlog, I'm probably going to put the Christmas tree up, and also it is my birthday. The car does not leave unless she's in the passenger seat. Oh, I got my rider with me. I'm looking for Ginger Ale. I'm trying to make this a 1, 2, 3 thing because it's starting to get super crowded. You don't see Ginger Ale? Do not drink Canada Dry. If you drink Canada Dry, I can't talk to you. How cute is this? Look how small these little marshmallows are. Alright, you ready to cook?
Yeah.
What's on the menu?
Piece of pepperoni.
Mac and cheese.
Mamma mia.
We got yams. Cornbread, I think.
Stuffing.
Mamma mia.
Are you gonna help us cook?
Yep.
So you know you can't cook with the backpack on. The only thing that we changed this year is that Mom didn't get a turkey. We're not cleaning it out. Unless,
Yeah,
I mean, we could go get a turkey real quick.
No. It's so nasty to clean out. That's like Nana's job.
Yeah, honestly, I got spoiled. For this year, we're gonna keep it basic.
Hey! Hey, siblings!
Hey.
Hi, everybody!
I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight.
Only been days, but it feel like months. We're gone for a year, only go like once.
I rate this a 10 out of 10. And the mac and cheese is my favorite. I just got another plate.
How many plates is that?
It's my second plate.
Okay, period.
And then I got Hawaiian rolls. These are really good.
Loser lame wanna be like, oh.
Stop.
totally.
Don't talk to me. Loser like, not gonna be like, oh, totally.
These girls have been in the kitchen.
I'm gonna be on my 600-pound life.
We ate dinner at 11:30 this morning. Literally, like.
Wait, let me show you my Stanley Cup. Y'all, I got this from Target. Period.
She's obsessed with Stanley Cups, just in case you guys don't know. I got this outfit from Target. And it's so... I don't mind the mess because Justin just ruined it, but let me know what you guys think. Did you have a good Thanksgiving? Anyway. So how do you guys feel?
Fat.
Good.
I think next year we should go back to New York to visit. A little empty.
It does feel empty. Like, don't get me wrong, it's beautiful because it's just us. But it's nothing like being surrounded by, like, grandma, like, nanny, your mom, cousins. I don't know. It's just like a tradition. We've done it since, this is like, we've always done it, so it just feels a little bit weird. I'm grateful today because we all woke up feeling great. We're well. We have food, enough food, a lot of food. And everybody's just good. We're in good space. Like, even though we're far away from our family, we're still blessed. You know, some people just don't have that. So that's what I try to teach the kids.
so full. Like, I'm eating, but I'm full, but I'm still eating.
You're just eating to
I'm
be
just
greedy at
eating
this
to be
point, right?
greedy.
Let's get a piece of cake for everyone. I'll cut it up.
Guys, do your thing, girl. So I hope that you guys are enjoying your Thanksgiving. We're not doing much. We're just gonna watch Home Alone. We got Trouble. Mia picked out What Do You Mean? So we're gonna play this. Shit, I'm chilling. I'm actually about to make another plate. I'm so mad because I didn't even make the banana pudding. I may still make it, but I was so tired because I was in the kitchen from, well, I got a late start with cooking. Started maybe like around, what time was it, like 5? And then I finished probably around like 10:30, so I was so exhausted. I was like, I'll do the sweets in the morning, but I only ended up making the strawberry cake. But yeah, that banana pudding has to get done because my bananas are starting to get like too ripe. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of like how Thanksgiving was or is for us. And yeah, I got a package.
It's a turkey.
It's not a turkey. We done with Thanksgiving. I got 2 outfits in here in hopes that I can use both of them because I'm going out somewhere, okay? I'm going out. All right, what is this? You just said, you know why she's next to me, right?
Guys, I'm here so I can unbox it.
No, it's because you got something in here. So this is one of my tops that I got. It's like soft like satin.
Oh,
and
it has
it's like,
ruffles things on it?
yeah, no, it's see-through. Oh. The arms are sheer.
Yeah.
Here. Really?
Thank you, Mom.
I got these cute sweatpants because I don't know what it is lately, but orange looks so good. If I could, I wear black every day, but I was like, let me step out of the box. You could always wear sweats, especially with like a crop or just like a fitted tight shirt. So I got these. I think I got a matching top to go with it. And I think these are the high waist too. I can walk in these. Oh, these are so cute. Y'all. I don't even know if I should show you guys because I want you guys to see when I'm dressed. But yeah, I got these cute shoes. These are in a size 6, 5.5, 6. And they got the little peep toe. And it's not too much of a heel because I was worried about that. I cannot walk in shoes. You guys know if you've been following me, you are OG, you know I don't wear shoes. But my room is a mess, y'all. I don't even look. I gotta clean my room. But these are cute. I want to make sure it's focused. Ooh. Ooh. Look. I'm gonna order like off of these websites and then I just end up doing it. Oh, this is my dress. I think this is my dress. Is it?
No.
Yes, it is.
Wait,
Oh,
it is?
yes. This is like scrunched on the side. I don't like it when it's scrunched on the side. But it's like a really nice color for fall and winter too. You can pair this with a pair of jeans or leggings. Nothing too happy. Oh, my birthday tiara. Got a birthday tiara.
Credits to me because I reminded her.
I told you that's why she's up under me because she want what she got.
Thank you.
A little AirPod case. Oh, look at my case. I got the iPhone 15. And there's not that many cases in the store, so I ordered this. Tell me this is not cute.
Oh, that's pretty.
It is so cute. It's like
That's
textured. How cute. One thing I will say that I love about Shein is that you can get fire phone cases and like AirPod cases for the low.
Look at my phone.
That's cute. Oh, you got the mirror one? I got this cute little bralette. This is not an extra small. There's no way this is an extra small. They sent me an extra brown shirt. Okay. This cute long sleeve cropped top. I ordered this brown dress, but honestly, I don't know. I'm not going to say I don't like it until I try it on because you can't go off of looks. But I was expecting it to be a little more softer. It feels like, you know, that cheap material. But anyway, it's supposed to be like a fitted tight dress. I don't know. I wanted to switch it up instead of doing black all the time. So we'll see. We'll try it on. So I showed you guys the black shirt with the sheer sleeves. And then I was going to pair it with this cute leather, you know, skirt.
Oh, that's
The
so
orange.
cute.
See, this is a cute little fit, right? Calm fit or whatever.
Calm love it.
But you guys get it. So I'll probably rock this, you know, on my chill day when I'm just going out. The little bralette that I showed you guys, I want to pair it with white leggings. No, I'm not going to wear it outside because I've always been afraid to wear white leggings. I don't care how, like, careful you are. You're bound to get something on your outfit. So this is just for in the house.
Huh?
I'm going to have to try this on. This is my current AirPod case that I have. It's super cute. And then I just got this one. I'm going to swap it out for this one. How cute is this? Can I have 2 biscuits? Thank you. Thank you. If you know, you know, y'all. Smacks every single time. It's not even focusing for y'all. Like, I want y'all to get the deets. I have a taste for some mild hot wings and some, I'm gonna do half mild, half barbecue, and also want to get some decor for the house because I'm gonna put the tree up probably tomorrow. No, not tomorrow because I'm going out tomorrow. I'm gonna put the tree up on Sunday. I have a lot of stuff from New York, like from last Christmas, but this will be the first Christmas in our new house, and I want to make it like a winter vibe in the house. So we're gonna go to Target, and then we're gonna run to the grocery store to get the stuff for the hot wings and the barbecue. Mia also wants to try the hot Cheeto wings because I made it before. I don't know if you guys ever seen it. This was like early on in my YouTube journey, but they were bussing. Okay, so we're in the Dollar Tree and we're just gonna get some stuff that we need for the tree and stuff because they have really good finds. I know I'm a Dollar Tree lover, so come here first before you decide to go to Target. Because I'm going to Target, but I'm gonna come here first.
This is pretty.
That is pretty. I feel like we have a lot of ornaments already though. This is adorable. Super cute. These are so
This
cute.
is cute. We need like the little
The
tiny
gnomes, right?
for our stand-up room. Oh, and the nutcrackers too.
Oh yeah, we need some nutcrackers, definitely. That's cute. Ooh, and this is heavy. Share the apples with her. That's your sister, you gotta share. Alright guys, so I'm back from the store. I'm gonna get ready to start cooking dinner. It's about 5 o'clock. Dinner is usually ready for the babies by 6:37 the latest. I'm gonna make 3 different types of chicken. I'm gonna do the sweet honey. I love this Kraft. This is one of the best barbecue sauces in life. Like, it never disappoints, ever. Even though I'm a Sweet Baby Ray's lover, I love this Kraft. Then I'm gonna try, I've never had this Sweet Baby Ray's, but I'm gonna do the honey mustard. And then, this was Mia's request. She wanted me to make the hot Cheeto chicken because she's never had it. I've made it before, way back on my channel, but I mean, I personally like it. I don't think it's something I would eat often, but it has like a really nice taste. So I couldn't find the original hot Cheetos, but it really doesn't matter. So if you want to make it, I think baked is better anyway. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna have 3 different types of chicken. I'm gonna also make some fresh broccoli florets, and then I'm gonna make some chicken flavor rice. This is the easiest dinner, honestly. I make things that's easy for me, and the kids love it. So how could I forget to show you guys this? Somebody gifted this to me yesterday on Thanksgiving, a little special delivery. I know inquiring minds want to know, but I didn't get there yet. Y'all don't know what it's gonna be or what the outcome is. Just know it's going good. I didn't expect this at all, and I think for me, it's like the little things that matter. Like, that's my love language. Like, acts of service. Not only, like, materialistic things, but just doing, like, random, spontaneous things that I love. You know, things, that means that you're listening. You know what I mean? I need somebody that's a good listener, that's attentive. You know what I mean? He's on to a good start for now.
Wanna show you off, fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Impression.
That's really good.
You like it?
Really good.
Is it too spicy or no?
That's good.
Really?
These are actually really good. I rated it 10 out of 10.
Alright, now Lyric's gonna try it.
Alright.
I think I just like the crunch. It's the crunch for me. Yeah?
Mm-hmm. It's good.
Simply Michelle.